evening. My name is Abhishek Harinath Singh. Today's topic is full stack development. Full stack development refers to the end-to-end application software development, including front end and back end. The front end consists of the user interface, and the back end consists of take care the business logic and application softwares. Full stack development. Front end HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Backend Django, Java, Python, Node.js, PHP. The main components of a full stack development are the front end and back end database. Consider a retail website. Users can browse or purchase specific items, delete or add items, the cart change their profile, and do many other things. All these actions require a front-end user interface as well as some business logic. Written in the backend, the website UI can build using various front-end associations, technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The backend is written in programming language like Java or Python. Further, a goal web application would need scalability, handling, and routing, which are usually handled by libraries and framework like Spring Boot or Django. The backend also consists of logic and connect the application to other services and databases. For example, add the user and transaction data is stored in a database through specific drivers handled on the backend. A full stack development is one a full stack developer is one who can single-handedly implement both the front end and back end work frames like placing the order or changing the user profile. And further, what is a full stack and what do they do? Full stack developers must have entire stack technologies that are used to build the application quickly and efficiently. For example, if they want to build an application using the mean stack, they should have know how to work with MongoDB, Express, Angular, and Node. Full stack developers should be able to judge whether the selected technologies are the right choice for their project during the early phases. Some responsibilities of a full stack developer are to help in choosing the right technologies for the project development and testing both on the front end and back end, while write clean code across the stack by following the best practices of the tools used. Be up to date with the latest work technologies and work versions tools to make the best technologies usage decisions. What languages do full stack developers use? Full stack developers use the any set of languages that are compatible with each other and the application framework. Overall application framework. JavaScript is a popular language often used to full stack development as it's one of the very few language that can be used both on the front end and the back end. companies